my customer's putting in a new fence right here, and this dead hemlock is actually broken off at the base and basically being held up by these small branches. So I can't really climb this tree because it's not secure, so I'm tied in over here on a smaller branch than I'd like, but I don't have too many options. But it'll be strong enough. You could see the flex when I pull on the rope here. So I'll actually rappel down to the tree and piece it out.